In today's video, we are going to cover how to enter your spouse's information in TurboTax. If you are already signed in, begin by opening your current tax return so you are working inside the return you want to update. Once the return is open, look to the left-hand menu and click My Info. This section is where TurboTax keeps the personal and household details connected to your return. Under your info, click Revisit. That will take you back into the personal information flow so you can update marital and household details. On the About Your Household page, set your marital status to Married. This choice is what allows the spouse information section to appear as part of the return. Next, choose how you plan to file. Select Plan to file jointly if you and your spouse will submit one return together. Select Plan to file separately or as head of household if that matches your filing plan instead. Make sure you choose the option that reflects how you intend to complete the return before moving forward. After that, answer the dependent questions shown on the page. TurboTax may display a few household-related prompts here, and you will need to respond to each one before continuing. When those answers are complete, move ahead to the next screen. You should now arrive at the spouse's info page. Enter your spouse's first name, middle initial if it applies, and last name in the fields provided. Use the name information exactly as it should appear on the tax return so the return stays consistent with official records. Then enter your spouse's date of birth. In the occupation or job title field, type the appropriate work description for your spouse. If a job title is used, enter the one that best matches the information you are reporting on the return. TurboTax will also ask whether your spouse was a member or former member of the U.S. Armed Forces in 2025. Read that prompt carefully and select the response that applies. This is one of those details that is easy to move past quickly, so it is worth confirming the answer before continuing. Below that, you will see the Uncommon Situations section. Review the options listed there and select any that apply to your spouse. If none of the listed situations fit, choose None of these apply. This makes sure TurboTax records that section correctly and does not leave it incomplete. Once all of the spouse details and related questions are filled in, click Continue. That saves the information and moves you forward in your return. If TurboTax opens the next section normally, that confirms the spouse information has been entered. Thanks for watching. Your spouse's information is now entered into your TurboTax return.